Meaning of diplomacy.
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 Diplomacy. Diplomacy refers to the art of dealing with other countries through negotiations, treaties, and maintaining good relationships. Its goal is to achieve peaceful resolutions to conflicts and promote international cooperation. Diplomacy involves effective communication and negotiation skills, as well as an understanding of cultural differences and geopolitical dynamics. Successful diplomacy can lead to the avoidance of war, the strengthening of economic ties, and the promotion of mutual understanding and respect between nations. Overall, diplomacy aims to foster stability and peace on a global scale.